color. Color plays an important role in design and in everyday life. Color directs your eyes to an image. Color evokes certain moods or emotions. Color communicates something important without the use of words. How do we know which color looks good or not when taking it together collectively in a design? The answer is simple. We call it the color theory. Color theory has been followed by artists and designers around the world for centuries. When designing, you need to know the color theory in order to apply exactly what is around that design. Applying color to a design is like matching accessories to an outfit. All it takes is an insight. Then, you will look at the colors in a new way. See you in the next video to learn the basics of color from the beginning.